What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to speed up video files in here on your iPhone device so your videos can look just like this. For example, I've got in here this video right here which is speed up. It has been speed up, which in other words it's also known as the time lapse effect here or feature, right? So I'm gonna show you two different ways on how you can do that. I'm gonna show you how to create the video immediately while it will be speed up, and I'm gonna show you a second way where you can actually speed up existing videos that you've actually recorded or that you already have on your iPhone. I'm going to show you both of the methods on how you can actually speed up videos here on your iPhone. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech content as well and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to our YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into the video in here, the very first thing that I would recommend you guys to do is to actually double check a few settings before you actually attempt to perform a time lapse or a very quick video. You want to make sure you set up a few settings so you have the best quality here and come out with the best results, because whenever you want to speed up something, we do have a few settings that if you do not turn on properly, they will make your video lose a lot of quality. And the very first step is to hop into settings real quick, scroll down in here. I'm assuming you're going to record the video using your iPhone device, so simply tap on camera in here, and next up under camera I want you to tap on record video. You want to tap once on the record video, and you want to make sure that you select the highest resolution. For example, my highest resolution right now is set to 1080p, which is good, it's in HD, but if you can tap here on 4K, at least 60 frames per second, which is already very good, your video will look much better, much crisper, as well as with a higher quality resolution. But please note that while increasing the quality of your video will occupy a lot more space. So if you're running out of space on your iPhone device, then I would recommend you guys to stick to 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. But in case space is not an issue, or if you simply want to create a really stunning video, I would recommend you guys to go with 4K at 60 FPS minimum. And then we can continue with the next step in here. So the very first method is of course to use my camera in here app. I'm gonna open up camera real quick, and then we'll hop into the video section in here. Right. Next up, we're going to simply slide to the left once, will be under cinematic, slide once again, slow-mo, once again, time lapse. So once you're here under time lapse, we'll simply use, for example, my front camera. So this is me here, the creator behind Fixed by Shaq. Do not forget subscribe, it means a lot. And then next up, we'll simply tap here on record to start recording this specific time lapse. As you can see, I've already tapped here and the record process has started. So I'm going to speak just for a couple seconds so you can actually understand, because we need a lot of footage to speed up. Otherwise, if you do have a very short clip in here, the speed up process will not work perfectly and will not look good at all. So there we go, we're speaking for a couple more seconds, and then once we're done eating up a few space here with our clip, we'll simply tap here to stop the time lapse. Next up, we'll simply open up the video in here, and as you can see, the video is already speed up. There we go, that was me speaking here right on this video. So the time lapse feature does this automatically, and you do not need to worry about yourself. Now, please note that this feature here through camera can only be turned on if you are recording right at the moment. Let's say that, for example, I do have a video that I've already recorded it long time ago, and that specific video is not in time lapse. Okay, for example, I've got this video here of my cat trying to jump in here to the top of the balcony. Okay, he jumps, it's in a normal speed. I cannot simply time lapse it directly here on my iPhone, but I'm gonna show you how you can actually use a second method in order to do this. Now, in order for you to use the second method, you're gonna need an application which is known as iMovie. That's the app that I would recommend you guys, and it's 100% free. You can simply download it here from the App Store. Let's quickly hop into the App Store real quick. Here I am in my App Store. I'm gonna tap on search, and then we'll search for iMovie. This is the app logo in here. As you can see, this is how the app looks like. So this is an application that allows us to actually edit videos and actually customize them. It's very interesting, and trust me, download this app. Thank me later. Next up, I'll tap on open because I've already downloaded it. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll be able to see the download button in here. Okay, simply tap on download and then simply tap on open. There we go. I already have the iMovie application opened or launched in here. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do in here is to simply tap on movie right here. Next up, we'll simply tap on video to select a specific video that we wish to actually speed up in here. So we'll tap tap here, for example, on recently added, and I do have this video of mine where my cat actually simply jumps to the balcony, right? So I'm going to tap here on correct, and then I'm going to tap on create movie to add that specific clip here to my iMovie project. Next up, what we're going to do is simply tap once there, and then we'll have to tap here on this little time icon in here. This will allow us to speed up that specific clip or to make it much slower, to make it a slow motion video. Okay, so the more you slide it to the right, the faster the video becomes. The more you slide it to the left, the slower the video becomes. So we're going to slide it a bit to the right, not much, okay, because I want to test it out. We still have some sliding space over there. Next up, I'm going to tap on play, and as you can see in here, that's my cat. In a few seconds, there we go, he's calculating everything, and then after some time, he simply decides to jump there to the balcony, and this is how it looks like real quick. Okay, now in case I want to edit it and make it much faster, simply tap again over there and then slide it to the max, right? And then I'm going to tap on play, and there we go, the video will become much faster. He calculates, and then after a few seconds he jumps, and it's everything much faster in here, happening in a much faster speed. Now if you wish to make it much faster than this, which is already 2x, you can actually export this video, re-upload it here to the iMovie app, and then simply perform the same step to speed an already speeded video, right? That's how it goes. Next up, to save it, simply tap here on share, and then simply tap on save or share video. Next up, we'll simply tap on save video, and this video will be downloaded or exported into my photos library. As you can see, the movie was exported to your photo library, and if I close it real quick and then I tap on photos, there we go, I'll be able to see my video right here, which has already been speed up. There we go, in just a couple seconds, my cat calculates everything and decides to jump to the balcony real quick in just a few seconds. So this is how it goes. This is how easy you can actually speed up, or also as bonus, slow-mo videos here using iMovie and using the native time-lapse application within your iPhone device on camera application, right? If you find my content useful, consider subscribing and like the video. It really helps me out. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so, you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech-related issues. If you do have any questions or doubts, kindly leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.